Hey there, this is Teacher Francis and let's review daily routines. Let's repeat together. Wake up, wake up. I wash my face, I wash my face. I brush my teeth, I brush my teeth. I comb my hair, I comb my hair. I eat breakfast, I eat breakfast. I go to school. I go to school. Very good. So, who's waking up? Waking up. This one. He is waking up. Very good. Who's washing his face? He is washing his face. Wash, wash my face. Who are brushing their teeth? Brushing their teeth. They are brushing their teeth. Very good. Who is combing his hair? Combing his hair. He is combing his hair. Very good job. Let's repeat it one more time, okay? I wake up. I wake up. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I eat breakfast. I go to school. Very good job. Bye bye.